Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply use Firefox browser in dark mode on your mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Firefox. I'm going to click on here to open up my Firefox. Then having opened up your Firefox, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on customize. Then next thing you need to do is to simply click on dark mode right here. Simple as that. So you can go back to the home page and you are now in dark mode. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.